Hey Jacinta, my name is Afan and I am from Seattle SEO, and we spoke on the phone yesterday regarding this video. Basically, in this video, I will show you the top things you guys can do today to help bring in more clients. Now, before we go into this, I know you're probably still on the edge of whether you need this, which I completely understand, but the world is digitalizing at a faster rate than ever seen before, so it is critical to know what you need to do in this time to stay on top of your game. That's why I'm offering a free attack plan of actual things you guys can do right now to maximize the success of your company. And like I said, completely free and doesn't constitute as some kind of agreement or anything between us. So by the end of this video, if you like it, feel free to send me a quick message of what you liked and we can set up a time to chat. If you, however, didn't like it or want to take action yourself, it's perfectly fine as well. I'm just here to let you know what you need to do and what areas you should focus on. So let's dig right into it. Here is your site, CCConstruction.biz. And you guys, the first rule is you guys need at least 1,500 words on your homepage to rank with Google. I used a simple word counter and found out that you guys have 284, and most of your other pages, service pages, have around 200 words. Your top competitor, when searching up the keywords concrete contractor in Linwood, is Viking Concrete Construction. They're sitting at 325 words with the home page, and most of their other pages are sitting at 250 words. Very beatable considering that they're also not performing at the most optimal position. Now if we move on to the actual content of your site through Ahrefs, we can see that your top keywords, you guys have two keywords, your top keywords are CC Construction Services with a volume of 10 and a KD of 14, and CC Construction Company, volume 40, KD 11. KD means keyword difficulty or how hard it is to rank on those keywords. The lower it is, the better it is to rank on, the easier it is to rank on them. Now, with these keywords, these aren't the most optimal keywords, as the only people who will search them up are people who are aware that CC construction exists, hence the low volume. Viking Concrete Construction has a bit more keywords, but they're ranking for Linwood Construction, concrete construction companies, and concrete contractors Seattle. These are really powerful keywords. You got 600, 200 over here, and concrete installer near me, 2,600 words volume. What's great about these keywords is the reason they're so high is because they're industry-wide keywords, meaning that not only will clients frequently search these terms, but you guys can easily rank on them as well due to their universality. You could very well use many of these words on your website and use them to rank higher on Google. Now, if a website ranks well on these high-hitting keywords such as concrete construction companies, clients will see your company on top of their list and click into your site. Moving on to the second most important aspect, the Google Map Pack. Here's an example. I searched up concrete contractors Linwood and I can see a couple of companies. I can see their names, locations, opening times, and a quick summary of what they do. It's critical to be on this map pack. Why? Think of a time you're trying to find a nearby business for whatever reason, coffee, restaurant, library, you name it. When you search these terms up, Google provides a map pack of nearby businesses that match your keyword, and most people end up clicking one of these companies rather than scrolling down, as it's just simply more convenient. If your company lands the map pack, clients will instantly click into your site for any of these jobs. And I can see that CC Construction is on the map pack as seen down here. But if you were higher, that would be even easier for clients to see and click into your company. Now, how do you rank on it and how do you climb these ranks? Citations. We use a service called whitespark.ca, which costs around $30 to $70 a month, depending on the plan you choose. On it, we see that your site, CC Construction, is sitting at 18 citations. And you guys are on the map pack, like I said, but near the bottom. Your top competitor on the map pack is 1866 Slabjack. So 1866 Slabjack, it has 47 citations. So think about that as a top number of citations that you guys need to be on that number one. Viking Concrete also has more citations than you, so they also have a higher chance to be on the map pack. This is a very beatable number. 47 is a very beatable number because similar to Ahrefs, all you have to do is click into their citations And Whitespark allows you to view every single citations and also determines whether or not you can submit your listing into these citations. The red dot indicates that you can simply submit your company into these listings and then have that citation added to your catalog. Finally, let's cover the last topic of backlinks. Google doesn't just simply rank based on keywords and content alone. Most of a site's power actually lies on how many other sites are linking towards you. From Ahrefs, we see that your site has 42 backlinks. So there are 42 sites linking back to you, which is some link juice. Now, Viking Concrete Services has 148. Now, it may look a bit daunting, but it is important to note that not all links are equal. For example, if you got a link from a concrete power washing company, such as just power washing, concrete, driveways, all that stuff, which is very close to your industry but not quite your industry, it's worth a lot more power than a link from a random pizza place. So all you have to do is, similar to Whitespark, click into these backlinks and go through all these competitors' backlinks and submit your company to be linked with them if they have some value. So just to conclude, I'll give you a quick couple of hints on what to improve. Your homepage needs at least 1,500 words, or your average word count per page needs to be boosted if you want a homepage as a branding page, and we can talk about that later. Number 2, you need to boost your citations to at least 100 to 150 to stay way ahead of your competitors and easily rank on top of the map pack. And finally, you need more relevant sites pointing to your website so Google sees you as the authority. Now, if you implement these tips today, you can be number one across Google and grab a lot of potential clients. Now what? Well, you can go with the information I gave you today and do it all by yourself, which is perfectly fine. However, if you want the most efficient and effective route, you can work with Seattle SEO and we will take care of all of this for you. You can call me back at 425-679-2519. Once again, this is Afan from Seattle SEO and I hope to hear from you soon. Goodbye and take care.